Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is the climate of India. Chapter number 4, Ninth Geography. Last topic में हमने डिस्कस किया इंट्रोडक्शन टू climate of India and monsoons. आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं the controls affecting the climate of India. The controls that affect the climate of India are number one. Number one is latitude. Number two, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and physiography. As we know, India has a monsoon type of climate. There is a seasonal reversal in the wind system of India. The wind blows from sea to land during summer, and during winter the wind blows from land to sea. This seasonal reversal in the wind system and the weather conditions provide a rhythmic cycle of seasons. The uncertainties of rain and uneven distribution are very much typical of the monsoon. The Indian landscape, its animal and plant life, its entire agricultural calendar, and the life of people, including their festivities, revolve around monsoons. During summer, low pressure area or intertropical convergence zone develops over northwest India. Due to intense heating, southwest monsoon winds aim at low pressure area and begin to blow from southwest, but in Bay of Bengal they begin to flow from in Bay of Bengal. These begin to flow from southeast to southwest. Southeast to northwest. Due to Himalayan range in the north. Southwest monsoon winds from the Arabian Sea blow to northwest India in the northeast directions. During winter, high pressure area develops over northwest area. The low pressure area begins to shift towards Bay of Bengal. Winds begin to blow from northwest to east and southeast as retreating moons. In December and January, these winds come under the influence of northeast trades and cause winter rains on the Coromandel coast. Their direction is from northeast to southwest in winter. The bulk of rainfall in India is concentrated over a few months because low pressure area remains only for a few months in northwest India. Southwest monsoons begin to blow, harming their area. After a few months, low pressure area begins to shift towards east and southeast. With this shift of low pressure area, rains began to withdraw. The rainfall decreases from east to west in northern India because of because when the Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon is obstructed by the Nepal and Nepal and eastern Himalayas. Maximum amount of rainfall is received in West Bengal and surrounding areas. When these winds advance towards west, they go on shedding moisture, resulting decrease in the amount of rainfall. Tamil Nadu coast lies on the eastern coast of peninsula. During winter, the northeast dry monsoon winds blow over the Bay of Bengal. As they pass over Bay of Bengal, they pick up moisture and bring rain to the Tamil Nadu coast. As now they are under the effect of onshore winds and are full of moisture. So Tamil Nadu coast gets rain in winter season by the